The roof is gone, the sky my dome, no walls to call a place called home. My pocket's empty, not a dime to show. The street's my bed, where cold winds blow. The hunger bites, it burns, it stings. No feast, no crumbs, no finer things. I see their eyes, my children stare, their silent cries, too much to bear. I'm a broker soul in a world so vast, clinging to hope, though it fades so fast. With every step I fight the tide. For my family I'll never hide. The world moves on, it doesn't pause, while I'm still trapped in this cruel cause. No golden hand, no helping light, just endless dark, no end in sight. But even here in this barren land, I'll build a life with my own hand. Through storms and fire I'll carve a way and bring my loved ones brighter days. I'm a broker soul in a world so vast, clinging to hope, though it fades so fast.